So we're taking the kids for their Christmas present out to the Monster Jam, and I'm kind of out here fanboying right now. Look who it is. You can't see him because he's walking in front of him, but that's Dennis Anderson. Family time. The man, the myth, the legend, Dennis Anderson.
He's gonna sign it for you.
Alright, hold it down, man.
Look up here, John.
Alright, here we go. Let her rip, girl. Cheese digger, king slicker. There you go.
You ready? Come on up. Go say hi.
Go, buddy.
Look at yours.
There you go.
Yeah.
Now come around and act like you love me.
Yeah, go over there.
Come on.
Come on over.
Let's get the little bitty one.
Dude, he drives this thing. He's one of the guys you see driving
So we
it.
can see.
Do you want to be in it, Martin? Yeah. There you go.
All the epic ones you see where they're doing flips from a long
Alright,
time ago.
here we go.
That was
Right
him.
here, Nana, Nicholas.
Cheese digger, king slinger. Alright, there you go.
Thank you.
There it is.
y'all
The
have
man
fun.
right there.
John, you having fun? Tell me what. Yeah, we're gonna go see that one, huh? Who'd you just meet? Was he the king, Dennis Anderson? Oh yeah, Sharky. All right, that was cool meeting Dennis Anderson. What a treat, man! I've been watching that guy since I was a youngster myself. So, and then here's another fan favorite right here, the Bounty Hunter. Yeah, those things cool. All right.
Go up, Maverick. Come here.
This one's freshly stepped on. It is.
He won't say it, but you're his favorite. He's got a monster truck from when he was a kid.
I hope I'm still your favorite one. Oh, you are.
Oh my gosh, you're heavy. You wanna go
Got it. All right, thank you.
I think I got one.
Man, look at that thing.
With the 5-finger this one sticker.
No. Okay.
Come on. Sure, Harvey. We'll stand right here. Riley. All right. Thank you.
From the front end of Bounty Hunter to the back end of Scarlet Bandit. What?
Thank you very much.
There's the lady. Oh yeah, time for some grub. Me and Alex gonna chow down. Corn Dog City. Right, just got a bunch of corn dogs pressing the kids, and look at this. They're making their own batter and everything. Say hi. We started way back over there. We've been in line for what? 45 minutes to an hour now, all over here. Coming up. I already get on them puppies right there. One of three. Yeah. John, are you ready to go for a ride, bud? Yeah. What are we going for a ride on? That one right there. What's it called? Big truck? Okay. Jake, what's it called?
Hauler, huh?
Oh, the hillbilly hauler. Woo! All right.
Go ahead.
Getting checked in, make sure we're all settled in. Our ride group.
Empty seat.
Right. I got the Riley Master right there. Hi, say hi.
Go.
Jake, Mariah, Cole, John. Here we go. The louder we get, the faster he goes, guys. Come on, whoop it up.
You ready?
On three, everybody holler. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Yeah!
Whoa, Jones, buddy.
Whoa! Bumpity bump! Woo! Yeah! All right! Woo! Yeah! Another one! Woo! Yeah! You all right, buddy?
Oh my gosh!
Woo-hoo! Yeah! We're the main event, guys! That was that! Yeah! Woo!
That was fun.
Oh, we got the e-ticket ride.
That was worth the wait.
supposed to be like that.
It's gonna take 2 little tugs in this short front stretch to get her upright.
Yeah, most of them leave the motor for like 20
While we're waiting for that, I'd like to give another big shout out to our great sponsors that include Used Performance, Hooker Harness, Safety Clean, High Performance Lubricants, FK Rod Ends, Master of Faster Graphics, 5 Finger Death Punch, and Sunbelt Rentals. Our nationwide sponsors at 2X Monster Trucks Live. Posting photos and videos, make sure you tag 2X Monster Trucks on your socials for a chance to win throughout the year.
He said it feels super, super intense because the rear steer. I was barely doing it. He's like, I can go 10 times faster. He's just not bad. He's like, you weren't even, because I asked him, I'm like, where are you going? The rinse on the ground. He's like, you're not
Victorville, California, in the Jekyll and Hyde.
you like this too much, you know?
Austin comes up, does it? What is he doing? Is he going to do it again? No, he's not. He's shaking it up. Right center stage, walking the dog. Out of Kansas City, Missouri, ladies and gentlemen, Austin
Good job, Joe. Hey, did the bounty hunter already go? Oh man, I missed it. Get it. No, you said nobody.
Cool thing about that.
We bring out our next two trucks. It'll be Austin and Brutal taking on two-time Monster Jam World Champion Jimmy Cretin and the Bounty Hunter. Winner. Now, behind the scenes, I think you two played rock, paper, scissors, or flipped a coin to see who's going first. Who won?
Oh, Jesus.
You're taking first. All right, it's Levi Red.
You know what I'd like to do again is a nitro showcase live. That was sweet. Without the kids.
It's coming.
That trick's called the cliffhanger. Hooking his feet underneath the handlebars and holding on to the side of the cliff. Doing himself almost a heart attack. Alright, so I named that trick. That's the frog in the blender. That's what I call that one. The old frog in the blender. Oh, a big old whip! Nicely done! Jumping that 75-foot gap into 70 feet up in the air. That's a Cordova. Oh, a whipping heel clicker. Two tricks in one by Derek, California, representing today. Kiss of death! K.O.D. Ladies and gentlemen, they'll be back in the second half of the show. Ladies and gentlemen, take a beating anymore, but that don't mean I can't go big. So he builds himself a truck and puts a jet engine in the back of it. This gives a whole new meaning to road rage. The jet truck backing into position. We're gonna burn that car down, baby. Firing the afterburners.
I don't think they've even started it, dude. Oh, yeah, there it goes, there it goes.
Sturgis in the jet truck blast from the past. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to remind you all the drivers will be at the autograph table right by the merchandise tent to sign autographs.
All right, well, here we are at the end of the video. Had a great day with family. Really enjoyed it out there. If you made it this far in the video, thank you very much for staying. Really enjoyed it a lot. And I want to just invite you to like and subscribe. And that's my wonderful wife making fun of me over here. So like and subscribe. You know, this is video number 3 or 4. And I'm not good at editing. And I'm not good at talking and all this stuff. So I'm learning as we go. But if you guys will stick around, I promise we'll get better. So say goodbye. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, he said bye.